The Calm Budget. Find $200 without cutting joy. If your budget hurts, don't start by cutting joy. Start by cutting leaks. Here's how I found my first $200. Hi, I'm Holly. I wanted a budget I wouldn't abandon. Gentle, practical, and made for real life. Move one, subscriptions reality check. We all underestimate. Open your list of subscriptions you pay monthly for and pause one you barely use. Not forever, just 60 days. The goal isn't punishment, it's visibility. First, $10 to maybe $25 found. Move two, one phone call. Call internet or wireless and say the following. Hi, I'm reviewing my budget. Can you move me to a loyalty or promo rate without changing my plan? If they balk, could I speak with retentions? Even $10 to $20 a month, they stack up. Move three, the small snowball. Send any savings to the priciest balance. Track one number weekly. Amount I kept. Watching that grow keeps you going more than any spreadsheet. Stop and think. Question: if you found $30 a month today, where would you send it first? Pressure relief or progress? Remember, if not saving the amounts you reduced, apply it to your lowest balance credit card. It adds up quickly. For more calm money ideas, subscribe, then watch next. Is your job safe in 2025? It helps you plan the other side of the budget. And I'm here to help you if you have any more questions. Keep in tune. I will supply more and more each day.